फाल्यां म्हालाधिक मंत्री बाब सुरेश प्रभू गोंया येता आनी फाल्यां मायनिंगाचेर सिरियस डिस्कशन विथ कन्सर्न पीपल जातलें. म्हाका आत्तां ताजो फोन आयिल्लो. म्हाका सांगलां की तो मुख्यमंत्र्याक पयलीं मेळटलो. He will reach in the afternoon, meet the chief minister, and then discuss with concerned people. By evening, he will have some news.
Is it that he will meet you as a Goa Forward party?
He may have called me as Goa Forward. He may have called me as leader of one of the alliance partners. And I feel that he's concerned about Goa. He's taken decisions like getting Konkani announcement and all that, which are in the interest of the state. So even when it comes to mining, his approach would be positive. This is what I feel.
So, but is there a possibility for restarting mining?
That I don't want to talk anything because it is beyond me. It's not in my this to talk. But I feel Suresh Prabhu's efforts can be counted, not as just lip service or lip sympathy to the cause.
Can be counted for restarting?
He may comprehensively take certain steps which will lead to resumption of mining, which will lead to what the mining dependent people have in mind.
Okay. So what
he is somebody who can be taken seriously.